Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a very different video for you. I originally started my YouTube channel with a video similar to this. So every year I enjoy getting the Halloween candles from the Kringle Candle company. And I have purchased some from this year. And if this is something that you'd like to see, let's get into it. Okay, so I have this big old heavy box of candles from Kringle Candle, and this is the Halloween candles. I got 5 of them, I believe, and this is some from last year for reference. So it's a little bit different this year. I was kind of a little bit surprised. I haven't opened these yet. I was waiting to be able to have the time to film a video. And these normally sell out super, super fast. But this year, they haven't. And I think it's because they're a different size. So this year, a 3-wick instead of the normal 2-wick. And they're a couple dollars more expensive. So I'm going to go ahead and use Mr. Steak Knife of Multifunction so you can say hello to him. And we will go ahead and open these. This box is very heavy. So I don't want to, move it any more than I have to. It's messing up my table, my tablecloth, all that good stuff. But how are you guys anyway? I am it's been ridiculously busy. For me, life is lifing right now. Almost cut my thumb off. Thank goodness it's the steak knife and not a different kind of knife. All right, buddy, you sit there. And we'll go ahead and let me see what I got here. Oh, they're all in boxes. That's unusual. So I got the scents Sisters 3, Vampire's Kiss, Sleepy Hollow, Haunted Hallows, and Black Cat. So Black Cat's one of my favorites. I tried it for the first time last year. It is excellent. I don't have it behind me. It's somewhere in the house. But it's a phenomenal, phenomenal fragrance, and I really did like it. The year before, I missed it because it sold out. So I did pick it up last year, and I really like it. But yeah, I started my YouTube channel with a Kringle Candle opening is one of the things, because I wasn't quite sure, what direction I wanted to go. I enjoy makeup. I love makeup. I am a huge makeup enthusiast. But I was like, well, there's so many people, maybe I should do something different. But there's not enough people that do a sit and talk to you type of a thing. And I've really enjoyed it. And Instagram is through the roof with it. So I think you kind of gravitate to what you'll do well in. And makeup and things is just my thing. But I love candles. So I used to be a Party Light consultant. I really super enjoyed Party Light. Party Light doesn't have consultants anymore. I got these because I love Halloween, and I like the stranger, little one-off-ish type of a scent, something other than, pumpkin spice all the time, which I love pumpkin spice. But Halloween is literally probably my second favorite holiday, if not the first. I love Halloween. I love to decorate for Halloween. I love, trick-or-treating, handing out candy bags, decorating the outside of the yard. I love it. I love everything about it. And I love these candles because they're very, very unique, and they have unique scents that just really tie together fall and Halloween, a little bit of spooky eeriness here and there. And they just can capture that fragrance so, so well. So the first one that I got is, whoa, and that's heavy. Oh, here we go. This is Haunted Hallows, and I had this. Is it back here? No. But I had this last year and loved it, so I picked it up again this year. This one isn't new to me. And it is, oh my goodness, this is so neat. It smells just like you're outside. And the notes of this, do they have them on here? They should. I know they had them on there somewhere last year when I did this video, and I felt really stupid. Okay, yeah, there they are. So it's wood smoke, fir, herbal apple, patchouli, and musk. Yeah. And you can really smell the wood smoke, and that you get the freshness of the fir. And there is a little sweet that must be from the apple, but it's not overwhelmingly apple. You know, it's more like a herbal apple, like they say. And then patchouli and musk. I am a sucker for a patchouli-based fragrance, and this is just, oh my God, it just makes your house smell so good. You know, you have your decorations out and things, and it just ties in the fall season so, so well. A lot of boxes this year. But yeah, that one's not a new scent to me, but I'm glad to see that they come out with that in a 3-wick. Now, I have heard a lot of people say that these burn faster than the 2 wicks, and they don't last as long. So we'll see. I've never burnt one of their 3 wicks before. All right, let's see what this guy is. This one is Sisters 3. This is a new fragrance this year for Kringle Candle. Get this box out of the way. And that's what it looks like. Really pretty. And this one has notes of raspberry, grape, orange, cinnamon, jasmine, rose, cedar, musk, and sandalwood. So very, very different. Oh, this smells like a almost like a candy, like Tutti Frutti candy. Very different. I don't get much jasmine or sandalwood or musk or even cedar. But maybe once you burn it, because a lot of times with the Kringle candles, you really don't know what they smell like until you have them burning. And then you can pick up all those different notes. So yeah, I'm really curious to burn this one and to see what it gives. That's really cool, but it's a beautiful candle. And it is a new fragrance for them. Next, I have here Black Cat, and like I said, I got Black Cat for the first time last year. Absolutely love it. Now, this one didn't exactly knock my socks off when I smelled it, but when I burned it, oh yeah, very, very nice. So this is Black Cat, and the eyes kind of glow, you know, when you have it burning. And this is such a really unique scent. I love this one. This one has notes of spicy cinnamon, clove, cedar, and frankincense. And let me tell you, this is just phenomenal when you have it burning. I can't even explain how nice this is, but it is perfect. Just a perfect scent for Halloween, and I absolutely love it. So I was happy to see it in a big 3-wick. I got 2 more. I'm going to pull them out of the box because I think this box is in my face here. And I'll probably watch this video back and be like, what on earth were you doing? All right, next one is Sleepy Hollow, and I have this one here. This is last year's Sleepy Hollow. I love this so much. I got this one like the day that they launched, and it sold out and never come back. And because I was going to get backup, so I stopped burning it. It's about this full because I was going to burn the whole thing. This is so unique. Such a phenomenal. It has pumpkin spice, incense, cedar wood, clove, caramel, and citrus. And it just smells like you're running through the woods with a basket full of candy. I mean, I don't even know what else to say. Absolutely unbelievable. And when it's burning, oh my God, I'm just blown away. I love this so much. So I was thrilled to be able to get it in the bigger size. But they don't have the 2 wicks anymore. And so here it is, this year's version. This is, of course, Sleepy Hollow. Has a little bit different picture here. I mean, it's still a headless horseman. It's just that it's a little bit different. This horse is different. The artwork is different. Yep. Same smell. Same scent. Yep. Pumpkin spice, incense, cedarwood, clove, caramel, and citrus. Oh my God. I already know I'm probably going to have to go get a couple more of these. Just absolutely love this. Love this so much. One more that I picked up, and this is a new scent for this year. This is Vampire Kiss. I've seen some really good reviews for this one already. And there we go. Very, very different. And this is supposed to be blackberry, citrus, wine, fruit, oak wood, and spice. Oh my goodness. I love this. I didn't think I'd like this being blackberry forward. I thought it'd be a little bit too tutti fruity. This is incredible. I can't wait. I can't wait to burn this one. So you get the blackberry, the wine, and the fruit, and then the spices kind of in the background. I'm sure the cedar wood's going to come out when I burn it. Oh my God. This is better than I expected that it would be. I love this. Absolutely love it. I hope that it burns. And I love the smell then too. I think it's just going to be a little bit deeper once it's burning, and it'll be absolutely glorious. Absolutely glorious. So that's the new ones. One thing I wanted to say is there's a lot of good ones last year they didn't bring back. This is one of them called Cemetery Lane. I don't think that come back this year, but I love this one. There is something about this that is exactly what you'd expect if you were out in a creepy old cemetery. I mean, I don't even know what else to say, but this was dark mysterious musk, midnight iris, patchouli, dried oak, creeping moss, dusky cedar, and sweet earth. Oh my goodness. I love this so much. It's another one that I stopped burning because I was going to use it all. This is just fantastic. So I was kind of disappointed not to see this one. I'll look again, make sure it's not there. And then the biggest disappointment for me from Kringle Candle this year is they don't have Witch's Cauldron. This is the candle that started my obsession with Kringle Candle, because it's one of the first ones I ordered a couple years ago. I absolutely love, love, love this. This is a new one from last year. I ordered a backup, thank goodness. This is cedar, clove, incense, and citrus. Oh my goodness. This is the quintessential Halloween candle. And I don't care what anybody would say. If you took Halloween and you put it in a candle, it would be this. It is just so, so unique, so beautiful. It just makes your house just, I mean, it just brings that Halloween aura with it. Absolutely incredible. Where is it? Kringle, where is it? I was beyond disappointed to not have this year. I hope that they bring it back next year. So, because there's just nothing. These other ones are good. They are great. There's nothing like this one. Absolutely nothing. So anyway, what did you think of my little Kringle Candle haul? Did you pick up something from Kringle Candle this year? Are you a repeat offender like me and really love these Halloween candles? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget, don't be a stranger. Feel free to hit the like button and to subscribe. I try to have a little bit of fun around here. It'd be great to have yous. And I think that was it. Me and my remaining prized possession candle are going to exit on out of here. And thank you so much for taking the time to watch. And we will see you in the next one.